There you go, folks. Dunwich Dynamo finished. It's about 9:20. For about 3 hours sleep, 3.5 hours. I was going to go to 10:30, but I keep picking up because I know I've got a really long day ahead. It's 200k to do today. Interesting combination, but not get too close. So good morning, hello, welcome to Bikepacking Adventures and welcome to the beach at Dunwich. Having just finished the Dunwich Dynamo. It's 9:20 in the morning, it's about 3 hours sleep, if that. Set my alarm for like 10:30. Leaving a little bit early. Long today, it's 200k. Old Axe DIY to Rutland Water, where I've got a nice bivvy spot planned. Just gotta get there. So I'm gonna get myself together, get dressed, and head over to the Flora tea rooms first, and because nature is calling. Right, stick around, watch the adventure of me unfold. Pringles have survived. Looking over towards Flora tea rooms, still tons of people over there waking up. Coaches all ready to start taking people home. See all the buses. Obviously, all the bikes got to get put onto the coaches, and there's some trucks there as well. So I believe people have got a truck with a bike in as well. So it'll be interesting. Tell you what, it wasn't windswept at all. Beautiful location. Away from the crowds as well. Slept like a dream. Just not enough time. Right, anyway, let's go. What a nightmare getting out of Dunwich. 2 coaches on a very tight, narrow road. Horse box coming in the opposite direction. Jam. Stuck. And woman in a Range Rover Discovery hit the bus, jammed right against it, stuck firm. So I've had to find a nearby field and go off road. Try and get on the road somehow. Finally, out the other side, heading through Dunwich Forest. Yes, I haven't got very far yet. Just happy to have scrambled my way through Hogs Grove. Sorry, I'm going to have to get put in. Source box over there to make the right pigs here with things. So today's route, more or less, directly west, with a little northerly component in it. Destination is Rutland Water, and a particular bench at the peninsula in the middle of the island there. That's the plan. Just got to get there. It's 211 kilometres, a little bit less now. Ooh. Not much, thank you coaches, but yeah, got a whole day to get there. So comparing time wise, if it's Old Axe and it's 200, not carrying weight, I would get there about 6 o'clock-ish. But I'm carrying weight. I've got 2 days of riding in my legs. Got 2 separate rides. Well, 3 days. Friday, Saturday. Yeah, Friday, Saturday. Days mixed up. So yeah, probably more like 9 o'clock, which is fine. I just want to get there. Well, you know, a reasonable time, not a stupid o'clock or something. And then tomorrow, it's just a short distance back to Newark. Knowing me, I'll probably extend that ride somehow. Last time I was in Suffolk, saw a fantastic thatched church. This one's even better. Unfortunately, I'm not going down the hill again to film it better. But got an outbuilding there. That's a circular tower. Hope it remains leafy all the way through Suffolk. Doing a good job of keeping me out of the sunshine. It's another warm day. 20k in. Careful, don't bonk. So I'm just having some of these shakes that I bought back in London, London. The other flavour is mango, this is banana. And I'm going to eat loads of Pringles. The first, it looks like quite away from civilization. I'm on the edge of bonking, so I've just got to get as many calories as I can. You know, I'm carrying enough. So I've got a pack of jelly babies as well. Shove it in my face. Maybe I'll have a second breakfast somewhere, I don't know. But what I'd love to do, what I'd really love to do, is have a Sunday roast in a nice country pub. Chicken or lamb or beef or whatever. Nice beer garden, thatched cottage. Just picture it now, you know. Cider in my hand. Bit of Suffolk cider. What the other one is? Inches? I don't know. Get some of that into me. Bit of sweet nectar. Sunday roast, that'd be awesome. Oh, I can just picture it now. Really, really slow progress today. Been through a village called Selnetby and then on to the next one, and there was a shop in the corner which clearly was stealing the Sainsbury's logo, called Red Square. A church opposite, so I got some drinks and everything from there. Threw myself into the church grounds, just got an hour's kip. It's tiring. It's just been headwind the entire time. I don't know when I'm going to get to 200k mark, 211k mark. It's been a hell of a slog. Being on the mount, being on a gravel bike with these big thick tyres. Oh, it's tiring. Very tiring. And the reason why I'm having to go to Rutland in a Wanner is because of the Audax DIY that I sorted out before. I want to cancel another ride, just, you know. At the end of the day, it's only Audax points as well. I don't need them. Can't redeem them for anything. I could just ditch that idea and start somewhere before then. I don't know, because tomorrow's a really short day anyway. Just divide this journey and tomorrow's journey. I don't know. Just sounding a bit down, aren't I? Right, 5.5 kilometres on this road. I'm not too far from Thetford Forest, so that'd be a bit of fun. Also, another thing, one thing I haven't mentioned yet as well, because I'm on the gravel bike, the route is all, it was a last minute change because I was meant to be on the road bike. You know, it's all on road. So it's a bit of a shame because, you know, obviously it's a bike built for gravel and off-road. So, and of course I don't know the area that well. I'm just kind of sticking to the route really, which is a bit of a shame. I might go off route slightly in Thetford Forest if Thetford Forest, that's quite a mouthful. You know, if I do recognise anything. But oh yeah, and so far I've not had a Sunday roast. I went to one place, like, oh, I've not got enough food. I'm like, spare potato over there. Oh yeah, but we've just not got enough food. I'm like, take my money, take my money. Since when did that kind become the norm? You know what I mean? How about passing trade? It must, well, not all passing trade just comes for a beer, surely. Anyway, I'm concentrating because I'm coming to a mainish road now, I think. So I'm just heading through Nettershall. Nettershall or whatever it is. It's like ponies grazing in the fields. It really stands out amongst the rest of the countryside. Heathland or something. Well, I've just had my tea in a place called Brandon. It must be the most traffic congested and infested town that I've been through on this trip. Even London wasn't as bad. Anyway, had a farmhouse pizza, chicken sweet corn and mushrooms, really nice. Update on this route so far. Well, it's gone 5 o'clock and I think the cut off is about 11 or something. Not entirely sure I'm going to make it in time. It's just been headwind all the way and the hills haven't helped. So I'm just enjoying myself now. Get as far as I can or get there just after. onwards my journey goes. Through the fens towards March. That's what I'm going to be heading to next before going through Peterborough afterwards. I think it's mid-March, then Whittlesea, and then on to Peterborough. So March I'm going to get some drinks, I think, and after that I'm just making shit up as I go along, really, because I don't really want to be heading any further west. I want to be heading north, to be honest. But, you know, I might just stick to the route. But I'm not going to finish it today. If I finish the route, I mean, I'm not going to go to the middle of Rhode Island. I'm just going to head that way on. Have breakfast at Wyman and Windmill, possibly. I don't know. I've stopped yet again in a field in the Cambridgeshire fens. I'm going to assume it's Cambridgeshire fens. Just head down for 45 minutes and you know, just a bit of power nap. Hopefully it's helped a little bit, but everything was aching, so just had to call it. Anyway, heading on to the Wash Road. It's nice for a little while because I've been heading south. Seems to be a bit of a tailwind. That's been the story of today, just headwind wherever we've ridden. Yeah, not good. Seems like a wise choice that I actually drove the van to Newark, so I've got about 70k or so less for this entire journey to do, because I'm struggling.